We do a lot of gluten-free baking in this house, and I love using this silicone mat. First of all, everything is measured out for me. So I have inches along the side, I have centimeters if I need centimeters. Once it's down on the counter, it doesn't go anywhere. So if you have a cutting board that likes to slide around, this will keep it from sliding as well. If I'm doing any kind of rolled item, a lot of times it'll tell you to roll it out on parchment paper or roll it out on some kind of plastic wrap. I will use this a lot of times because I can take it and use it to help me roll up whatever that is. Cleaning it is super easy. It looks like it's gonna be a pain because it's so big, but what I do is I take it, I ball it up in the sink of soapy water, and I mash it around, scrub it around, do that for a minute or so. Then I rinse it under clean water and hang it up to dry. It really does help keep my mess to a minimum because folding it up, getting rid of anything that's stuck on the map into the trash can, this is a great little kitchen tool to have.